This is a quick tutorial on how to straighten UVs on a polygon. Imagine you have a polygon shape like that, and our UVs look like this. In some scenarios, you need to have your UVs straightened out. So how do we go about doing that? First, you select all your UVs, you go to Modify, Unitize. What this does is, it takes the UVs for each and every face, squares them out, and stacks them on top of one another. After this step, you select all your UVs again, you go to Unfold, Unfold. And after this step, you take all your UVs and you go to Unfold, Straighten UVs. Now, as you can see, all our UVs are straightened out. Of course, our faces here are trapezoids, but our UVs are perfect rectangles. So naturally, there's going to be a little bit of stretching happening in our UVs, but in those scenarios where you need to do something like this, that little bit of stretching that happens is not going to be problematic. So the next step is, you have to select all these edges one by one and move and sew them together. So you go to Cut and Sew, Move and Sew. This edge, or you can select all of them at once and sew them together. Then in order to lay out your UVs perfectly in 0 to 1 space, you select all your UVs, you go to Arrange and Layout, you click on Layout here. So now your UVs are perfectly laid out in the 0 to 1 square and they're straightened out.